Kyle Bryant from Chaparral Motorsports here with Talon from Acerbies, and right now we're looking at the chain guard that they created. This is different than the other chain guards on the market, and Talon's going to tell us about it.
Yeah, so we came up with this a few years ago, and we kind of saw a demand. Most chain blocks, they always have a screw going across horizontally, and that, you know, as it starts to wear through, your chain starts rubbing on this, it breaks the screw and it damages the chain. So the idea was to create a new style. Now the screw's going in vertically up. So the nice thing about this is it can consume completely through the chain block before you need to replace it. So you get maximum use out of your product, and you don't have any damage to your chain. So yeah, and then once you buy the block, you can just replace the spacer. So that it's a much more cost-effective way to do your replacements. And you got a great style, a great product, and that's why we just develop with our race teams to create these products for the customer.
Makes sense. Now, as far as a typical chain block goes, once they put this on the bike, how often do they need to replace that bottom piece?
There's many variables on what kind of conditions you're riding in like that, and so just always keep an eye on it. But the nice thing about this, if you do slip up, you didn't catch it, it's wearing through, it's not going to damage your chain because we have the screws vertically rather than horizontally. So that's it.
Now, as far as your make model goes, pretty much all the 250s, 450s?
Yeah, we cover all, you know, all the way even to Beta, so KTM, Honda. So just take a look. They are bike specific, so you just want to pay attention to that. Check your catalog before you get your order in. And yeah, just make sure you get the right one. It'll be good.
There we go. Chain guards from Acerbis. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Kyle. This is Talon. Until next time, take care and ride safe.